How to strike through text in WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go to WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, go and open the chat that you want to send the strike through text. Tap on this text. So now type in your text in this message section. After you finish typing your text, all you have to do, I will show you now two methods on how to do it. The first method is highlight your text. As you can see, after you finish highlighting your text, tap on this three dot. So tap on this strike through. So as you can see now, it makes your text strike through. So tap on this send. So as you can see now, it just strike your text. So the second method is type in your text. After you finish typing your text, all you have to do is type in this symbol. As you can see, the symbol that I gave you on the screen. So to get the symbol on your keyboard, all you have to tap on this numbers and tap on this section, and here is the text. Here is the symbol. Type it at the beginning and at the end of your text. So as you can see now, it makes your text strike through. Make sure there is no space at the beginning and at the end. As you can see now, if I put space, it will just remove the strike through. Make sure there is no space. So tap on this send. So that's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.